Your Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is Karismariel back with another video. Most of this video is going to be a voiceover or music because I generally did not feel like talking. And this isn't a tutorial, but basically I'm just showing you guys how I do my cornrows because I love me some cornrows. So I usually just do them by myself. So yeah. My hair is freshly washed and blow dry, so I'm just brushing it out and detangling it. So I'll talk to you guys when I am about to start braiding.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me.
Okay, so now I am parting my hair, and I use the rat tail comb with the metal end, the metal tip, I guess. That's probably the best comb I've ever bought to use parts. Like, you get your parts so good and so straight. I don't know what it is about that comb, but I love that comb for parting my hair. And I decided to I decided to part my hair into 6, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to make sure my parts are right. And yeah.
Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Give a little less. Now you hit the canvas. But baby, you need me.
Okay, so I've finished parting the first half of my hair, and now I am sectioning off the hair. I just used how many packs of hair did I use? I think I used 1.5 packs hair of Karismariel hair. But the little piece I showed you was how thick my pieces were as I added into my hair, I guess. So yeah, I'm just I'm just sectioning off a few of those pieces so they could be easier for me to grab while I am braiding. So yeah.
Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you.
Okay, so now I am oiling my scalp where the section is, and I'm going to take some of the Wetline Extreme Gel and put it like on the roots, perimeter roots, whatever you want to call it, so my hair can be more laid. I don't like braiding my hair with like jam or anything. Wait, I need to slow down. I don't like braiding my hair with jam or anything, so I use gel, but I just use like a tiny bit so my hair isn't soggy, wet, I guess. Wow, I'm so bad at this. But anyways, now you can see me braiding my hair, and I just braided like a little section, and then I added the hair in when I felt I was ready to. Like every few braids I add some hair in. I really wish I was better at explaining it, but I guess you guys are just gonna have to be visual learners to see what I'm doing. If you really do want a tutorial, I would suggest just finding a professional on YouTube. So yeah, for this little piece, I think I used probably 5 or 6 pieces of hair, but I think I went in and added more so the braid could be thicker. So yeah, you just enjoy, I guess, and I'm gonna shut up now because I don't think I have anything else to say. So
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Know you hate the converse, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, shit, I roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a bar, shit would never us. Shit would never rap. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Know you hate the canvas, but baby, who you needed me. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Know you hate the converse, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, shit, I roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a bar, shit would never us. Shit would never rap. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed
Also, that was another thing. You don't necessarily have to do this, I guess, but I wanted to curl my braids, so I did this. But after every braid, I took like a really skinny piece of hair and wrapped it around and kind of tied it like in a knot to seal my ends. And then I took my, what is that thing called? Razor comb. I took my razor comb to even out my braids and like not make the ends so thick. So yeah, that's all I had to say for that.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you hate the confess, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, should I roll it up? Let her roll it up. Break it down like a bar, shit would never last. Shit would never rap. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you need.
Okay, so lastly, I didn't know if I wanted beads or to curl my ends. So I wanted to see what the perm rod looked like. So I put a perm rod in and I didn't like it. So then I put the beads in, didn't like them either. So I was like, okay, I guess I'll do the perm rod. But I was just gonna leave them straight, but I cut my braids like so short. Not short, but I cut my braids from trying to put the beads in and messed it up. So it was just a whole process and I was getting really annoyed, so I didn't film that rest of the part of the video, but I ended up just putting some perm rods and curling the ends and they don't look too bad. I still have hair left, so I'll probably do this style again, and the water wasn't even hot enough, so I probably would have liked it. But yeah, I just took some mousse and some Got2b sprayed and put it all in my head, and then I took some oil sheen, laid my edges, put my scarf on, and that was the end of that. So the rest of these clips is just me, yeah, you can tell. That is me just experimenting and trying to figure out what I wanted to do with the ends of my hair. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.
Now you hate the confess, but baby, who you crazy and issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse in a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You